Hi, in this video, I want to teach you how to draw a short hairstyle with a pencil. I hope you find it helpful. First, we draw a circle, and we divide it into 4 equal parts. Then, from the sides of the circle, we draw 2 diagonal lines in the shape you see. This will actually be the placement of the face, which we need to define before drawing the hair. Now, we define the area where we want to draw the hair. And using the guidelines we drew earlier, we can easily sketch the jawline and lower part of the face, just as you can see. We completely cover the hair area with charcoal powder to create a smooth and even base. I mark the 2 sides of the head where the hair is very short and darken them with a darker pencil. Then, we blend it using a stiff brush. We draw the hair strands using a charcoal pencil. And again fade it with brush. Use an eraser to create highlights and depth in the hair. Now draw hair strands in the areas where you created highlights. Using a charcoal pencil, we draw the darker hair strands. Now, using a mechanical eraser, we highlight the hair strands that reflect light. Draw individual hair strands around the edges of the head and along the hairline to make the hair look more natural. And this is the final result. In next video, I will teach you how easily draw the face in easy steps.